Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 2 power x plus 2 power 1 minus x equal 5 root 2 over 2 and we have to find the value of x. So this looks complicated but it's not actually. So let's start with today's video solution. So 2 power x plus this 2 power 1 minus x, I'm going to use the identity 2 power x minus m, x plus m, we can write it as 2 power x times 2 power minus x equal 5 by 2 root 2. So this becomes 2 power x plus 2 times 1 over 2 power x equal 5 by 2 root 2. Now we can write this as 2 power x plus 2 by 2 power x equal 5 by 2 root 2. Now I am taking a substitution. Let 2 power x equal t. So this equation becomes t plus 2 over t plus equal 5 by 2 root 2. So this becomes t square plus 2 equal 5 by 2 root 2. So t square plus 2 equal 5 by 2 root 2 t. So this becomes, if I'll multiply by 2 both sides, two t square plus 4 equal 5 root 2 t times 2 over 2. So this will cancel out. So 2t square plus 4 equal 5 root 2 t. So this becomes 2t square minus 5 root 2 t minus plus 4 equals 0. Now we can write this 5 minus 5 root 2 t as minus 4 root 2 t minus root 2t plus 4 equals 0. So we can write this as, take 2t as common. So it becomes t minus 2 root 2 minus, if I'll take again root 2 as common, t minus 2 root 2 equals 0. Now I can take t minus 2 root 2 as common. So 2t minus root 2 equals 0. So if I'll take, put both the factors equals to 0. So first t minus 2 root 2 equals 0. So here t equal 2 root 2. 2t minus root 2 equals 0. 2t equal root 2. T equal root 2 by 2. Now let's recall the value of t. We take substitution. 2 power x equal t. So first case 2 power x equal 2 root 2. Now we can write this as 2 power x equal 2 power 1 times 2 power 1 by 2. Now if we compare, we can write x equal 1 plus 1 by 2. So x equal 3 by 2 from this case. Now here 2 power x equal t. So 2 power x equal root 2 by 2. So 2 power x equal, we can write this as 2 power 1 by 2 minus 1. So if we compare, so x equal 1 by 2 minus 1, which is equals to minus 1 by 2. So what are the two values of x? First is 3 by 2 and second is minus 1 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.